What's up, lovelies? How are you doing? Hope you're keeping safe wherever you are. Welcome back to Kitchen Tryouts, and thank you so much for showing me some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. So today is an awesome day because we're celebrating Jamaica's Independence Day, and as such, I have a wonderful guest who is a friend of mine from Jamaica, and she's going to show us some of their delicacies. So guys, this is Zoe from Jamaica. Welcome, Zoe.
Welcome on, everybody. Welcome. Big up yourself wherever you are watching from. Yes, today, as Ruth says, is our Independence Day, and it's a big celebration for us. We're sorry that we could not have been home to celebrate with our family, but we're happy that we have family away from home. So we have put together some very delicious meals. Traditional Jamaican foods that we always use when it comes to independence. We always use these ones for our celebrations. We cannot leave out our manish water. We're not going to leave out our curry goat. We're not going to leave out our jerk chicken, white rice. We have patties, cornmeal pudding. We have potato pudding. So welcome, guys, and I hope you enjoy our video today.
Zoe, please tell us, among the foods that you've just mentioned, which one is your favorite?
My favorite has to be the potato pudding. It has always been my favorite. I sort of grew up with it. I sort of grew up on that being done by my grandparents. So that is something I look forward to whenever it comes to Jamaican celebrations. Stay with us, guys. Enjoy what we're about to show you because I am so nice. So this is our marinated chicken because we're doing jerk chicken today. You're going to enjoy our Jamaican style of jerking our chicken. We do not have everything the way we like to have it back home, but I'll show you the basic steps of how we usually do it. So already this chicken is prepared with all the seasoning. We have onions, garlics, escallion, thyme, some jerk seasoning, or salt, and just basic spices for our chicken. So it's already prepared. We're now going to be putting it into the oven. So to prepare the oven, what we do is to cover the baking sheets with some foil paper, and then we'll put this inside the oven just at the bottom. Just at the bottom of the oven. And then what we'll do is put the chicken on top onto the grill. So when we put the chicken on the grill, all the juices and the water and everything from the chicken will go onto the baking sheets. So now you just arrange them onto the grill on top. You have to keep your oven as high as possible so that you get the best heat to really do a good jerking of your chicken. Back home we would do this on using Cole's jerk pan, but we don't have the jerk pan here. The oven works just as well if you pay attention to the temperature of the oven. Remember to keep your oven very, very hot, and then we'll leave it for some time. There you go. You don't do jerk chicken without smoke. Smoke is very important in helping you to keep the flavor in, and the smoke is actually what makes it the jerk method. So you definitely need to have lots of smoke when you are jerking your chicken. And what I want to do is just to turn it over on the other side, just to get everything evenly distributed, the smoke, the heat, and we keep our We keep the foil under the bottom just to make sure that we're not making too much of a big mess as we go.
So this is blue drawers or doconos we call it. So we added some grated banana, some flour.
Yeah.
We added like cinnamon, some spices, vanilla, all of that. Coconut milk.
Yeah.
And now, you know, making it into a batter, like for cake.
Yeah.
And then soon we will put it in some bags. Normally in Jamaica, we put them in the banana leaf.
Yeah.
And then wrap them, tie it with
Some kind of strings. Yeah.
The banana string too. Yes. And then we would boil them, and then you see the end product.
Okay, sure. So like here, are you going to do the same way, or what are you going to use in place of the banana leaves?
So if we don't have banana leaves, so we're going to use plastic bags. We'll fill them up.
Yeah.
We'll tie them. Not fill it way up, but we'll pour it in. You'll see, you can see that
see
too.
the process,
And then we'll tie them and put them in a pot.
Okay, with water?
To be cooked, yes.
Okay. So how long does it take to cook?
About an hour, half an hour, she said.
Okay. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget, knowledge increases by sharing, and a single candle can light 1,000. Till next time, stay connected.
This is from Jamaica.